Today, students, our writing essay is about expository. We have to define expository writing and the structure of writing an expository essay. Expository writing. Exposition is a type of oral or written discourse that is used to explain, describe, give information, or inform. The expository essay is genre of essay that requires the student to investigate an idea, evaluate evidence, expound on the idea, and set forth an argument concerning that idea in clear and concise manner. What do you mean concise? Means accurate. The creator of expository text cannot assume that reader or listener has prior knowledge or prior understanding of the topic that is being discussed. In other words, you have got to collect and search information about the topic you're going to write before writing. One important point to keep in mind for the author is to try to use words that clearly show what they are talking about rather than bluntly telling the reader what is being discussed. So, your expository writing should be detailed and very well explained. The five paragraph essay. Mainly, whenever writing an expository essay, you should develop it into five paragraphs: an introductory paragraph, three body paragraphs, and a concluding paragraph. So, a common method for writing an expository essay is the five paragraph approach. This is, however, by no means the only formula for writing such essays. Some other writers may write it more than five paragraphs, but the common process or the common procedure of writing an expository essay is it's divided into five paragraph essay. So if it sounds straightforward, that is because it is. In fact, the method consists of an introductory paragraph, three evidentiary body paragraphs, and a conclusion. Structuring the expository essay. Now, what do you mean by structuring? And how to write an expository essay. First of all, you should begin with your introductory paragraph. Begin with a grabber or an attention getter or a hook. A technique used to grab the reader's attention. Effective grabber techniques in expository writing are quotations, definitions, or facts. These three techniques help the reader in understanding your topic. So the introduction ends with an affirmative sentence that expresses the main idea of the essay. The body paragraphs. The second, third, and fourth paragraphs make up the body of the essay. The first sentence of each of the three body paragraphs, also called the topic sentence, must be backed up with some form of evidence. Three types of evidence: statistics, expert opinion, and example. This is how you clarify each subtopic. Finally, we reach the conclusion. It is the fifth paragraph, and the conclusion begins with a transition term such as in summary, to conclude, in a nutshell, and a summary in which the thesis and the three arguments are restated. So, in order to write a concluding paragraph for an expository essay, the first statement in the conclusion should be restating the thesis statement, and the second statement should be summarizing the points discussed in the body paragraphs. So, the structure of the expository essay is held together by following a clear, concise, and defined thesis statement that occurs in the first paragraph of the essay, clear and logical transition between introduction, body, and conclusion, evidential support, whether factual, logical, statistical, or anecdotal, a bit of creativity, a conclusion that does not simply restate the thesis but readdresses it in the light of the evidence provided.